Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It is Monday, the 3rd of March 2025, and it's about 8:50 here in London, and the markets are about to close in 10 minutes. And I'm going to do the final trade of the day. So, before I do the final trade, I'm just going to have a look at my portfolio to see what's happening. So, today's been a very down day, everything is down. So, I'm just going to check my account to see what's happening. So my general investment account has gone down to 60, just under £67,000. My stocks and shares ISA has gone under £14,000, and my self-invested personal pension has gone under £800. So like I said, at its peak, my general investment account was around £120,000. My stocks and shares ISA was around £17,000 when you take into account all the contributions, and my self-invested personal pension was well above 1,000. So very, very volatile, this portfolio, and the reason is I'm holding three of the most volatile stocks, and those are Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia. So my strategy is very, very simple. I have an investment horizon of between 5 and 10 years, and my goal is to build a portfolio that's worth $1 million. And the plan to do that is to invest aggressively into high growth stocks. So I'm investing aggressively at the moment. So I invest about £300 every day when the market is open, and I'm going to try and raise that to £750 every day, and I invest it equally between Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia. So very, very volatile stocks, very, very high growth, and hopefully very, very rewarding as long as I can handle the volatility. So I've invested two times already today, so this is going to be the third time I'm deploying money into the stock market. So first I'm going to be starting with Tesla. So before we start, let's see what's happening to Tesla shares today. So the 1 day movement is down 4%. So I think the market as a whole is down. I think the Nasdaq is down about 2%. So Tesla is more volatile than the Nasdaq. So every time the Nasdaq goes down about 2%, Tesla will probably go down 4%. So that's what's happening at the moment, but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna still keep on buying, and I'm not gonna stop even if the Tesla goes down to 100 or 120 like it was previously. I'm just gonna continue buying the stock no matter what, because I have high hopes for this stock. I've done my homework. I believe that this is gonna go to $1,000 within 5 years. So hopefully I'm gonna be proven right. So I'm gonna buy this now. So I'm going to buy 34 pounds worth of Tesla. So I'm going to confirm the buy. So sending the order through. Okay, and that's done now. So I've done Tesla. The next stock I'm going to buy is MicroStrategy. So MicroStrategy today is trading around 250. Let's have a look at the 1 day movement. So today at one point it was up about 15%, and now it's down 2%. So as you can see, it's a very, very, very volatile stock. So just today it's swung 18%. So it went up 15%, and now it's down nearly 2%. So again, it's a very volatile stock, but again, I'm not too concerned about the short-term volatility. At one point, this was on the 20th of November 2024, it was trading at $473, and today it's at 250. So it's almost halved in price, which is good for me because I'm getting MicroStrategy at a discount, and this is my Bitcoin play. So I can't hold any Bitcoin in my stocks and shares ISA. So the only way to do that is to invest in a company that is similar to a Bitcoin treasury holdings company, which is MicroStrategy. So which is why I have shares in MicroStrategy. So at the moment I've got 3.64 shares in MicroStrategy. I'm hoping to build that up to 200 eventually, and if I keep on doing what I'm doing, eventually I'm going to hit that mark. So I'm going to buy MicroStrategy now. So £33 worth of MicroStrategy. So I'm going to review the order, put the order through. Hopefully it's going to go through quickly. Okay, so that's done. And then the final one that I'm going to buy, the final company that I'm going to buy is Nvidia. So I have almost 7 shares in Nvidia. So I'm going to buy more today. So let's look at the 1-day movement. So it's almost down 10%. So I've got a 10% discount today. So I'm going to be buying so I'm going to be buying £33 worth of Nvidia. So I'm going to review the order. I'm going to confirm the buy. And hopefully that's going to go through. So like I said, I'm just going to keep on buying these 3 stocks aggressively: Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia. I don't really care if it's down 10%, 20%, or whatever. I'm just going to keep on buying relentlessly and aggressively invest in these high growth companies. And I'm going to try and increase my income so I can invest even more money. The reason I'm doing this is simple. When I zoomed out on Tesla, when I zoomed out on MicroStrategy, when I zoomed out on Nvidia, I could see that the long-term gains were phenomenal. So any short-term gains that I made trading Nvidia, Tesla, and MicroStrategy were nothing compared to what I could have made if I just held out, if I just held in the stock for as long as possible. So I can remember buying Nvidia just after the pandemic. I bought a large position, but then I sold it and made a little bit of profit. So this time I'm not going to make the same mistake. I know this is a high growth company. I know it's going to rise in the future. I know it's got a healthy it's got healthy prospects in front of it, and it's a high growth company. And I'm just going to keep on buying no matter what. So I'm going to keep holding whatever I buy now. I'm not going to sell for the next 5 years. And then after that, if I can hold it for 10 years, then I'm going to hold it for 10 years. But relentlessly, I'm going to just keep on buying Nvidia. I'm going to keep on buying Tesla, and I'm going to keep on buying MicroStrategy. So that's it for today. So just to recap, in total, I've invested 3 times today, and in total I've invested £100 in Tesla, £100 in MicroStrategy, and £100 in Nvidia. So I'm gonna keep on doing it. It's Monday today. I'm gonna do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm gonna keep on doing it every day whenever the market is open, and I'm just gonna keep on deploying money in regardless of how the market is doing or how the stock is doing. So that's it. So join me on my journey, subscribe to my channel, leave a like if you enjoy the content, and if you want to, why not join me on my journey? Because investing can be like really fun. Once you choose the companies that you want to, that you believe in, then just start with £1 a month, and then once you're happy with £1 a month, increase it to like £1 a week or something. And then when you're happy with that, you can do £100 a month. And then you can once you get your convictions up, once you get your investment bug, then you will start investing more and more money into the stock market, and you'll be compelled to earn more money as well. You'll be able to look for ways to increase your income, increase your side hustle income, increase your business income. And once you increase your income, you can put it into the stock market and see phenomenal growth. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Good night.